So our German pack, here we go. Frubel, Magniletto, which is Magnemite. Some great artwork there. Ignivore, who does the move Flackon. Fantastic, loving this. Next we've got Boars. The artwork here, very reminiscent of a child's colouring, which they've obviously taken inspiration from. And Umbreon, or Naktar, who does the move Pensivin Pale Clean. Send in the translations, please. Very nice. Poppy, that's an easy one. Poppy, that translates to. Lunastein, Mondcraft, 100 damage. Stalabor. Oh, wow, wee. Oh, look at this. This is Ninetales, Vanlona, Rifex, and the basic energy.